Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to save and earn in dollars using the Piggyvest. About 2 weeks ago, I posted a video where I shared with you guys how to save and earn using BAM. I'm sure we are all familiar with Piggyvest, and that is why I'm really excited about this particular video. It is really simple, it is basic, straightforward, and what anybody, I mean, when I say anybody, even a 4-year-old person would be able to do this. So if that sounds like something you are interested in, then definitely sit back and keep on watching. Talk about Piggyvest, I'm sure most of us are already familiar with it. It is a saving and investment platform where most of us just, save up for something, like save in Naira, obviously, maybe daily targets, maybe you save it for something, there's safe lock. There are different kind of features on Piggyvest, but that is not why we're here today. Okay, so before I go right into the the main reason why we are here, okay, if this is your first time of stopping by, do not forget to subscribe to this channel right here. Most importantly, just make sure you like this video because it helps other people discover this video and this channel, which is very, very important. That is just a way of supporting this channel. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, especially if you eventually ended up enjoying this video. Okay, my name is Adesholami and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video amongst your friends, especially if you want to help them grow their money. Okay, now let's get right into it. You want to make sure you download Piggyvest on your phone already, which I can say at least 70% of Nigerians probably have Piggyvest on their phone. But if you do not have it, I'm going to put a link in the description box. When you download via that link, you're going to get 1,000 naira, I guess, and I'm going to get 1,000 naira. So it's a win-win situation. Make sure you use the link. If you don't already have it downloaded on your phone, I mean, if you're a first-time user, you're going to get 1,000 naira. But if you are not, I'm sorry, you're not going to make money. I'm not going to make money. Okay, now that has been said, after downloading, you want to do all the basic setup. I don't want to go into that. You want to do all the basic setup, and I think with Piggyvest, you just need your BVN, your legal name, and basic things, your date of birth, nationality. I can't remember. I opened that a long time ago. So what we are mostly interested in this Piggyvest is how to save in dollar, right? Then after downloading your Piggyvest, you want to log in. After you've actually done the whole setup, or you cannot just log in. Make sure you download and do the setup, then log in if you already don't know how to do so. My phone already recognized me again. Alright, so now that I'm signed in into my Piggyvest, you can see that in a Piggyvest, on this saving platform, we have the Piggy Bank, we have the Flex Naira, we have the Safe Lock, we have the Target, we have the Flex Dollar, which is what we are interested in. I tried this out. I've been seeing this for a very long time, but I was really skeptical. I'm like, okay, no, I've actually tried doing it one time, but then it didn't work, so I just left it. Then I think last week, or sometimes last week, I was just going through my phone. I'm like, okay, let's see what's up on Piggyvest, and then I happened to click on it, and it worked. When you click on your Flex Dollar on your Piggyvest account, you see different things you can do with that particular feature. You can transfer to friends, you can view your pending interest, you can convert to Naira, and you can pay to your bank. But how to actually fund your wallet, how to fund your Flex Dollar, you can either do that by your bank card, like your regular debit card, a Naira debit card, or you can do it by funding it from your Flex Naira. I don't know what that's called, but that is also another feature on Flex Naira. It's called Flex Naira. And that is also another feature on Piggyvest. We have the Flex Naira and we have the Flex Dollar. Okay. So you can either fund it from your bank account or from your Flex Naira. Okay. Now I'm going to show you like a practical example. How we do it here. Okay. So you want to tap on this. I have $191 in here because I was trying it out. So you want to tap on this balance, and it tells you welcome to Flex Dollar, looking to okay. So you want to click on fund my Flex Dollar, and it's just like you would fund your regular Piggyvest account. It's really straightforward. Anybody can do this, okay? And you just have to input the dollar amount you want to purchase. And the good thing about Piggyvest, from what I've noticed, is that their dollar rate is very cheap compared to other platforms, compared to Trove, Bamboo, Rise, even compared to FX black market outside. I don't think they sell dollar outside for 566 66 naira as of today. Even as of last week when I tried this, it was still the same rate. So I mean, that's like a good thing. So yeah, if you want to fund your flex dollar, say I want to fund it with $10 because there's no money. $10. Okay, let's just say $5. I don't want to put in so much money here. $5, but you can just do $50. You can do $100. You can do $1. You can do literally any dollar to try it out. Okay, so $5. You want to click on done and tap to preview. It's going to give you the estimation. It says $5 cost 2,830 naira. Okay, and you want to click on your funding source. Now I mentioned that you can actually use your bank card or your flex naira. In my Piggy Flex wallet, I have 374 naira, and in my bank card I have money inside. Okay, so because I already linked my bank card to my Piggyvest, I cannot just click on this and confirm credit my flex dollar, and then the money gets deposited into my account. Awesome, your request to fund your flex dollar wallet was successful. Okay, I showed you guys earlier that I had $191. Now let's see. We have $196. So you can see how simple and how easy, very, very easy this is. So we are going to do the other way, which is from your flex wallet. Click on it again, fund my flex dollar, $5 again, and tap to preview. Funding source here would be your Piggy Flex wallet. Click on it, and you want to confirm credit my flex dollar. Simple. So now I probably have $201. I'm rich, oh. I'm rich in lots. Okay, so can you guys see that it is really simple and it is very, very straightforward? I'm just sharing with you guys because so many people, or most of the time, I get some DMs, not like a lot of DMs, and people say, oh, I don't know how to invest in stocks, or I don't want to invest because I'm scared, which I understand. Not everybody can take such risk because, trust me, with stocks and other investing platforms, you can either lose your money or make money. It depends on you and what you prefer. If you are doing it on a long-term basis, I would actually prefer you do stock but it's actually not stable. You can lose and you can win. When I say long-term basis, I'm talking 5 years, 10 years. Okay, because by then, obviously, to think even in Nigeria, dollar is never going to depreciate. You know that, right? So if you're not making money, you'd at least make the amount of money you used in buying the stock. Okay, so that is how to basically fund your Piggyvest Flex dollar. That's a tongue twister. Okay, Piggyvest Flex dollar account. Okay, so that's how you do it. Now on this now on this flex dollar, you have other things. Like I said, you can transfer dollar to your friends, you can view your pending interest, you can convert to naira, and you can pay to bank. Before I go into that, I'm going to give you one major reason why you should always save your money in dollar. The only reason that I know of, that I can think of, even when you wake me up from my bed, is that it stops your money from devaluation and inflation. Dollar is never going to go down, bro. I tell you, take it from me, it's never going to come down from that 560 or 500, whatever it is right now. Black market, I'm not talking about bank rate. Okay, because even as of last week, it was $10 lesser. Now it's like on other platforms, now it's like $10 more. Okay, you get what I'm saying? So always save your money in dollar to stop it from devaluation and inflation. You get the gist? Okay, there are just two ways you can earn on Piggyvest. The first way is if you refer people to download. New people, just refer them and say, oh, there's a new investing, there's a saving platform, there's an investment platform, and I just want you to download, just see how it works, blah 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 blah. Just if you're able to convince the person. I'm not trying to convince you, but if you want to download, you get 1k, I get 1k. When you be like, I don't use my code, you know, get 1k. Now you know that one. But then you get 1k and the person gets 1k, which is, if you're able to refer 10 people, that's 10k. Free money. You're not even working for, well, you did the work, but it's just you talking to somebody about something, and if the person by chance is interested, you get to make a little token of it. 10k will do your data in a month, my brothers and sisters. So that's the first way. The second way you can earn on Piggyvest is by accrued interest on your deposited fund. So let me show you on my Piggyvest. You can see, let me show you flex dollar view pending interest. On $190 I've made $0.22. That's not a lot of money, but when you compare to leaving your money in your bank or leaving it in naira, you don't even make that much money. Okay, that is another way you can make money from Piggyvest, especially in dollars. They give like a 7% of your total amount of money in your Piggyvest flex dollar. 7% of the money there per annum. So in a month you get something around 0.1 or 0.2. I think I wrote it down. Or you get something around 0.58% per month. So if you save $200 in a month, you get something around $1, maybe I think so, something around $1. So that is the two ways you can earn using your Piggyvest account. Now lastly, when we talk about how to save, how to earn, we should always talk about how to withdraw your money. I wouldn't advise you to withdraw your money except for unforeseen circumstances. Let's say, for example, you need the money urgently and that's like the only money you have. There should be a way for you to withdraw it, which is what I really like about this flex dollar compared to the flex naira or other things on Piggy. I don't really use Piggyvest all the time. I just use it for specific reason. Okay, now to withdraw your money, we have the convert to naira option and we have the pay to bank option. If you want to convert your money to naira, all you have to do is to click the amount of dollar you want to convert to naira. Say for example $10, and here you bought dollar for 566 naira. Here you're going to be selling it for 550 naira. So it means you're losing 16 naira per dollar. So to show you this, I'm just going to withdraw $1. Okay, I got time to lose a lot of money. Okay, so tap to preview and it's going to tell me $1 gives you 550 naira. Tap here to confirm, convert to naira. Okay, dollar converted to naira and it has been added to my flex naira. Right. Okay, so that is it. Now if you also, there's another way out of that. You can pay to bank, but I'm not going to do this. Okay, select destination, and here you can either pay into a Nigerian domiciliary account or an American USD bank account. So if you do not have a domiciliary account, you can only use the convert naira option. I do have a domiciliary account and I will be able to use this option, but I will be charged 3,500 naira to withdraw to my domiciliary account. And the least I can withdraw is $150. The max I can withdraw is $10,000. I want to be so rich that I have $10,000 in my Piggyvest. I am claiming this, okay? So yeah, that is just how to withdraw. But if you are withdrawing into a US domiciliary account, a US bank account, you'll be charged $45, and that is way over 3,500, I guess, even if it's times 500. See, let's see, 45 times 500. 45 times 500. What? 45 times 500 is 22,500. So that's way over the 3,500 naira, which I think is really, really good. Because I mentioned the Nigerian domiciliary account, so people might come to my DM or leave a comment and say, oh, how do you open a domiciliary account? I use a GT Bank account, I use a GT Bank savings account, GT Bank current account, and a GT Bank domiciliary account. So just go to GT Bank, that's what I can vouch for. At this time, GT Business is sending me checks. Okay, so go to GT Bank or go to any bank, any of the banks, just tell them you want to open a domiciliary account. It's usually a current account. They will put you through, tell you things that you need to do, how to go about it, get reference, and that would be all. You also get a card. My card is not here right now, but you are also eligible for a card. I know someone that did it with Access Bank, but with Access Bank, I heard that you would be needing $100 to get a domiciliary account. But with GT Bank, it is a $0. It means if you are dead broke like me, if you don't have any money in your account, you can walk into the bank, tell them, oh, I want to open a domiciliary account, and straight up they'll tell you all the required things that you are supposed to do. All right, so we've come to the end of this video. Okay, I've been talking for well over 17 minutes, I guess, or 16 or 15 minutes. But we've come to the end of this video. If you do find this video helpful, I don't know, but I feel like some people would find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate. See, you might not subscribe, but give this video a thumbs up. It's going to help other people discover this video and this channel in general. Once again, my name is Adeshalami and I'm based in Lagos, Nigeria. Stay safe, stay fabulous, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye. Before I go, let me know in the comment section whatever it is, what finance video you want me to talk about, and I'll be sure to get something out for you guys. Thank you very much. I'm going to see you in my next one.